If you're planning to board your Royal Caribbean cruise, completing your online check-in is one of the most important steps before your sailing date. Online check-in usually opens several days before departure, and completing it early can save you a lot of time at the port. It also helps you avoid last-minute delays and ensures a smooth boarding experience. During the check-in process, you'll need to upload your travel documents, including your passport or identification details. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate to avoid any issues during boarding. You will also be asked to select your arrival time at the port. Choosing an early arrival slot can help you board faster and start enjoying your cruise sooner. Once your check-in is complete, you will receive your boarding pass. This is an important document, so keep it ready on your phone or print a copy before you arrive at the port. It's also recommended to double-check all your details before submission, including personal information and travel documents, to ensure everything is correct. If you face any issues during the check-in process or need assistance with your booking, you can contact support. You can call us at +1 8004 068495 or +1 80083 74460. Our team is available to help you with check-in, booking details, and any cruise-related questions. And if the official helpline is not reachable, you can contact our support numbers for quick assistance. For more information, visit cruisebookusa.com.